Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Sign in with a Google account, enable two-factor authentication, and enroll in the Google Developer Program. Once done, make sure to create a new project ID and attach a billing profile so APIs can be enabled. You should also install the Google Cloud SDK locally and authenticate with gCloud Auth Login. This makes command line deployment possible. Finally, enable relevant APIs in the console so credentials and service accounts can be created next. You now configure the core middle steps. Enable the exact APIs your app requires and set quotas to prevent unexpected costs. Next, create OAuth 2. Zero client ID for web or mobile, generate API keys for simple access, and provision service accounts for server-side work. Assign minimal roles to follow least privilege. Once keys are issued, rotate and store them securely. Use secret manager or environment variables. Also update your SDK configuration and test. Token flows locally to confirm permissions and scopes. You finish by deploying and monitoring. Push code with Cloud Build or your CI/CD pipeline, test in a staging project, then promote to production when stable. Once live, configure cloud monitoring, logging syncs, and budget alerts so you catch issues early. If something goes wrong, first confirm billing is active, APIs are enabled, and IAM roles permit the operation. Then verify quota limits and inspect logs for permission or quota errors. If necessary, rotate credentials and redeploy with corrected roles to resolve failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.